Greetings, everyone. This is Associate Pastor Matt with Burlington Baptist Church. And in this video today, I want to talk to you about how you can use RightNow Media from your cellular device. Now, if you haven't already heard of RightNow Media, it's basically a streaming service that gives you access to thousands of Bible studies and sermons and kids' TV shows and kids' worship songs, all this sort of content that is free to you. And if you haven't accessed your account already, all you have to do is go to our church website, burlingtonbaptistchurch.org, and there will be a tab at the top of the page that gives you a link to how you can access your free account. RightNow Media can be used from a variety of devices, whether you may have a laptop or a desktop. If you have a smart TV or a Fire Stick, it supports all those devices, and it's also supported on your cell phone. And so I want to talk to you a little bit about some of the neat tricks that you can use if you have a cell phone. Now, first, of course, you need to make sure you download the RightNow Media app. The app should look something like this. It's got an orange arrow with the letter R in it. Of course, this could change by the time you're watching it, but it should be pretty clear. It's RightNow Media. Now, when you click on the app, uh, I'm going to show you something pretty neat here. It'll take you to a front page, but if you click on the bar here, you can actually see that there will be a page for our church. So if you click on Burlington Baptist Church, you'll see different channels that we recommend, including at the bottom here, you can see, oh, look, there's Pastor Kendall's most recent sermons from the book of Hebrews. And if we keep scrolling, we can see various videos that we've uploaded from our YouTube channel. These are all sermons from recent months and some other devotional videos in there as well. And so it's pretty neat. If you don't already have, uh, if you're not on YouTube, for example, or maybe you're not on Facebook, and so you don't see what we post on our Facebook church group, you can still get access to all the sermons there or through our church website. So we just want to make it as easy and convenient for you to access as is possible. Now, a couple of neat features about this. You can see, of course, there's the search bar right here, the little magnifying glass. You can search for pretty much anything you want there. There's also the capacity. If you click that button there, if you have a smartphone and you have a smart TV, you can cast from your phone onto the TV and play the videos there. So that's a pretty neat feature. Um, I've got a video already pulled up here. I want to show you something a little quick. This is an Ephesians study by J.D. Greer, who is the president of the Southern Baptist Convention right now. So you can see I've got this pulled up, the trailer for it. Has it ever dawned on you that nothing has ever dawned on God? That's a pretty profound thought. Now, you'll notice here in this video, this button up here that shows the headphone. The cool thing about cell phones is that you can play the video using the video portion or just with audio. So this is a really neat feature if you're trying to conserve data or you want to listen to something maybe while you're driving or going on a run or doing chores around the house and you've got your headphones plugged in. Pretty neat stuff here. So if we play it as is now, it says playing audio only. Now we can hear like an ocean breeze playing in the background. But if I click the button, now you can see it's playing the video too. So, and you can go back and forth between the two. Pretty neat, right? I want to keep listening. I love Ephesians. Um, and so, yeah, that's pretty neat. It's got closed captioning and stuff. And what's nice about that is you can actually, let me see if I can pull this up here for you guys. You can actually download videos from here. And so let me just show you here. So I'm wanting to watch this Color of Compromise by Jamar Tisby. Okay. So you'll notice after you see the video or the series at the top, you can add it to your queue. So maybe there's something you're wanting to watch later. You just put it in your queue there and it'll show up. Also, kind of similar to other streaming networks, Usually when you first enter your account, you'll see a continue watching tab. So you can pick right up where you left off with some videos. But you can also download. So this is a pretty neat feature if you have a cell phone, is you can download the video or listen to the audio later. And then of course, after you've listened to it, you could go back and delete it later and such. So that's pretty neat. That you can do that. You can also click a link here for resources. Some of these series may come from a book, or they have a Bible study, or excuse me, like a booklet for group study kind of thing available with it. And so they give you a link if you were wanting to look into that more and potentially purchase it. And of course, there's a share button. So maybe you want to share this particular video or whatever with someone who you think would benefit by it. Really great. Got a nice little link there. So, and those are pretty much all the main features that you get from using RightNow Media on your phone. So again, we encourage you, make sure you spread the word about this. Let us know how God's using it in your lives. And if you have any other questions about how to use RightNow Media, please get a hold of me. I'd be happy to help answer them. Thanks so much for watching. Grace and peace.